10 hidden gems in Bangkok you won't find in the guidebooks. Think you've seen all Bangkok has to offer? Think again. Today on Travelopedia Asia, we are revealing 10 hidden things to do in Bangkok that even frequent travelers often miss. So skip the usual tourist checklist and discover the real Bangkok, full of surprises, culture, and charm. Located near the Chao Phraya River, this centuries-old Portuguese Thai neighborhood is a quiet gem. Wander through narrow alleys and soak in the unique atmosphere. Visit the Kudijin Catholic Church, and don't miss the unique Portuguese-Thai fusion desserts like Kano Farang. It's a peaceful glimpse into Bangkok's multicultural roots that most tourists never find. This small, free museum is a time capsule of middle-class life in the 1930s. Tucked away in a quiet soi near the Chao Phraya River, it's rarely crowded. You'll get to walk through an old teak house, see vintage furniture, and get a sense of how Bangkokians once lived. No flashy displays, just genuine charm. Skip the touristy Chatuchak and check out Talad Rot Fai instead. This night market is known for its vintage goods, quirky collectibles, and vibrant street food scene. You'll find everything from antique signs to retro sunglasses. It's part market, part museum, and all fun. While most flock to Wat Arun or Wat Pho, Wat Prayun sits quietly with its unique bell-shaped chedi and turtle pond. Yes, a turtle pond. Bring some greens to feed them and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere of the Sofra Temple. It's also a UNESCO Asia Pacific Heritage Award winner. Often called the city's green lung, Bang Krachao is a massive man-made island filled with bike paths, parks, and floating markets. Rent a bike and explore the lush jungle-like surroundings. It's hard to believe you are still in Bangkok. Best visited on weekends for the floating market experience. Not to be confused with the Iravan Shrine, this museum is famous for its giant three-headed elephant statue that towers over the city. Inside, the artwork and architecture are jaw-dropping. Fewer crowds mean you get to admire the details up close. It's ideal for photography lovers and history buffs alike. This Soi Nana, in Chinatown, has transformed from a sleepy alley into one of Bangkok's coolest nightlife spots. Think hidden cocktail bars, art galleries, and experimental Thai cuisine. All with a gritty, old-world charm. Perfect for a low-key, unforgettable night out. Curated by a Thai flower arrangement artist, this museum is a hidden sanctuary dedicated to Southeast Asian floral traditions. The guided tour is informative. The lush garden is perfect for a relaxing break from Bangkok's bustle. A must for art and culture lovers. A renovated 19th century Chinese warehouse complex turned lifestyle space, Long 1990 mixes heritage with modernity. Walk around restored buildings and check out local crafts. Sip coffee by the river. It's a calm, scenic spot with historical significance and major Instagram appeal. Most visit this market during the day, but come after midnight to see it truly come alive. Fresh flower shipments arrive in waves, filling the streets with colors and fragrances. Watching vendors craft intricate garlands and bouquets is an underrated Bangkok experience. And totally free. There you have it, 10 hidden gems in Bangkok that most travelers miss. If you are planning a trip soon, drop a cherry blossom in the comments and tell us which spot you are most excited to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an insider guide from Travelopedia Asia. See you on the next adventure.